Global Crossroads, trade tensions, emerging alliances, and technological landmarks redefine the world order. As of July 5, 2025, the international stage is marked by mounting economic uncertainty, shifting geopolitical alliances, and landmark technological achievements. The imminent expiration of a pivotal U.S. trade tariff truce has injected volatility into global markets, while the BRICS nations, led by India and Brazil, prepare to strengthen their collective influence at a high-stakes summit. Meanwhile, technological and cultural milestones, such as the grand opening of China's first Legoland, are propelling new waves of innovation and economic activity. Together, these developments signal profound changes with far-reaching implications for nations, industries, and societies around the world. U.S. trade tariff deadline sparks market jitters. With just days remaining before the expiration of a 90-day trade truce initiated by President Donald Trump, global financial markets are bracing for potential disruption. The White House has yet to clarify whether tariffs will be reimposed, and investors are closely watching for any policy announcements from Washington. Major indices, including the S&P 500 and the MSCI World Index, have shown heightened volatility in anticipation of the decision. The U.S. dollar has weakened against leading currencies, reflecting widespread investor caution. The immediate impact includes a surge in defensive trading, with volatility rippling through equities, commodities, and currency markets. Export-driven economies, especially those heavily reliant on U.S. trade, are expressing growing unease about possible supply chain shocks and decreased demand. In the broader context, a return to protectionist measures could reshape the global trade landscape. Nations may seek to diversify their trading partners, accelerate regional agreements, or invest in domestic manufacturing, potentially leading to a long-term realignment of economic power and influence. BRICS Summit, set to challenge global power structures. Leaders from Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are convening in Brazil for the BRICS Summit, with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi arriving to spearhead discussions. This year's agenda centers on deepening economic collaboration, advancing technological partnerships, and asserting a stronger collective voice on major international issues such as climate change and development. The immediate effect is a flurry of diplomatic activity, with member states signaling their intent to launch new trade and infrastructure initiatives. Analysts anticipate joint announcements on fintech innovation, clean energy, and cross-border investment. Over the longer term, an increasingly unified BRICS bloc could provide an alternative to Western-led institutions, fostering South-South cooperation and influencing the direction of global governance, economic development, and multilateral diplomacy. China's first Legoland opens, catalyzing tourism and cultural exchange. Shanghai has celebrated the grand opening of China's inaugural Legoland, a major milestone for both the global entertainment industry and Chinese tourism. The launch has attracted significant crowds, with local businesses reporting a marked increase in visitors and related economic activity. Thousands of new jobs have been created, and the city is poised for a sustained tourism boost. The immediate consequence is a vibrant surge in local consumer spending and a renewed sense of cultural dynamism in the region. Looking ahead, the success of Legoland Shanghai could encourage further international theme park investments in China, accelerating cultural exchange and setting new standards for family entertainment. This trend may also signal a broader shift in global leisure and tourism patterns, as China cements its position as both a market and a creator of world-class attractions. Global briefs. Paris has reopened the Seine River to public swimming for the first time in over a century, marking a landmark achievement in urban environmental restoration. French air traffic controllers are on strike, causing widespread flight delays and cancellations across Europe's busiest airports. The 2025 Tour de France has launched with a sprint-friendly first stage in Lille, drawing global attention to the world's premier cycling event. As the world navigates a period of profound transition, Today's developments underscore the interconnectedness of economic policy, international cooperation, and technological progress, highlighting both the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead for the global community. That's it for now. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe.